What's up, my good people? Welcome to another DJ Kev one-on-one YouTube tutorial. Let's talk about how to make an animated intro for free. Let's get this party started. First, hit Canva. If you ain't got Canva, go ahead and download it. Next, let's create a design. What we want to do here is we want to create a video. So type in video and click it. As you see here, we got a blank background canvas. Let's change the canvas. Red, not gray. Good. Now we pop. Next, let's go to the left-hand side and click elements. We want to type in frame. F-R-A-M-E. That's right, frame. Select the frame. Let's do it with this oval frame right here. Nice. That's right, good people. Let's move it to the right-hand corner. Next, let's go to uploads. We want to put a picture in that bad boy. I got a lot. Ooh, I like that candle. Smells real nice. Drop it in the oval. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Now, you have the option of making it bigger. Or you can make it smaller. However you want. It's up to you, good people. Next, let's put some text in this bad boy. Let's start with a big header, big letters. This is my sip and scent candle, so let's type in sip and scents. Yeah, sip and scents. Let's put that candle in there for me. K-A-N-D-L-E-S. Nice. Now, let's go ahead and post this bad boy right at the top left-hand corner so everybody can see it. Nice. How about adding another font? Cheers to you. I like that one. Let's talk about what this candle's gonna do. Let's see. I like that. Try our, let's see, new scent. Let's spell that. Oh, yeah. Try our new scent. This one actually is a good one. Top seller, y'all. Energize. Everybody needs that energize in their life, especially with all this stuff going on in 2021. Nice. Let's post that bad boy. Let's put it right up under there. Looks good. Let's make it bigger. Yep. Nice. Let's change the color. You go up to the color, change it to orange. Matches the candle, right? Nice. Yeah, let's give it my slogan. You know the Sip and Scent slogan. Give your nose, say it with me, y'all, a smell, you know it, vacation. I hope everybody took a vacation. We all needed one, right? That's right. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead into that YouTube and type in DJ Kev one-on-one subscribe. Next, let's type in some more elements, man. Let's see. Let's do a candle animation. Let's see what we got here. Let's scroll down. About this Harry Potter looking one. Let's click it. Yeah. Let's add that in the picture. A little action going on. Keep in mind, you can choose anything you want. Type anything you want in there if it pertains to your brand or your product. Let's go with another one. Let me show you some real tricks. Let's type in burst. Let's see what we got. A little firework action. I'm liking these down here. How about this one right here? Let's click it. Look at there. Slide it over right behind. Try our new scent for Energize. Bam! We're cooking now. Let's get to the animated part. Go to the top, click animate. Look at all these different animations you can add to all your text, your pictures, your fonts. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm liking these. Sip and Scents. Yeah. Oh, the slide in. I like that one too. Raise it up. Remember that? Raise the roof. Yeah. So look, you can choose anything. Oh, that's a nice one there too. All right. I'm going to stick with this one here. Yeah, that looks good. Now we're cooking. Don't forget, you can add a longer duration. Right now, I got it going for 6 seconds. So if you want it longer, click it, add however many seconds you want. Now, let's download this bad boy. Click download. Yes, it downloads as an MP4, y'all. So let's click the download. Yep, wait for it to prepare my design here. Looking good. Bam. Now, save it to your video. It will save in your photos. Let's go to your Photos app. Let's find it, click, hit the play button. Bam, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like more tutorials with this kind of content, please subscribe now. DJ Kev one-on-one YouTube. Go to YouTube. If you ain't on there now, hit subscribe. And we're going to get it popping, man. 2021, this is my new channel. Sign